expressed in the form of P by Q. This is 0.32 bar. So we say let X be equal to 0.32 bar, which means X equal to 0.3222 indefinitely. Now this equation, this is equation 1, and the equation 1 we are going to multiply it by 10, and on multiplying equation 1 by 10 we get, so it is 0.3222, and we are now multiplying it by 10. So we'll get 10x will be equal to, since we multiply by 10, the decimal is going to shift here, and we will get now 3.222. This is my equation 2. Here now we take equation 2 and multiply it, it's equation 1, and now we multiply it by 100, and in doing so we'll take equation 1 was x equal to 0.3222, and we'll multiply, we said, by 100. So on to multiply by 100 we'll get 100x equal to, now we multiply by 100, so this decimal is going to shift out here, and we will have 32.22. This is equation 3. The next step, we take the two equations. We take equation 2 and the equation 3, and we need to subtract them. So I'll just do it out here. So we have 100x equal to 32.22, and here we'll have 10x equal to 3.22. This is equation 3, equation 2, and on subtracting you'll get 90x equal to, this is 0, 0, and here you'll get 29. So the x will now be 29 over 90. So to go back here to the sum, we had 0.32 bar is equal to 29 over 90. For the next one again, let x be equal to 0.123 bar, which means x equal to 0.12333 endlessly. That is equation 1. Now just to understand why we need to do these steps, in our first step we need to bring the decimal here before the recurring. So to bring the decimal here 2 places, so I need to multiply by 100. Then I have to take the decimal after the recurring. So I need to multiply it by 1000 because there are 1, 2, 3. So this is what I'm going to do. So I take up equation 1 and I'll first multiply it by 100. So this is equation 1, x equal to 0.123, and I'm going to now multiply by 100, and on multiplying by 100 I will get 100 into x, that is my 100x, and here I multiply by 100, so this will move out. Yeah, just do it again. This is the decimal, it will move out here, so I'll have now 12.333, and that will be my equation 2. Now for the next step, I will take equation 2 and multiply it by 1000. As I explained here, I have to take it after the decimal, so I've got to multiply by 1000. So I have x, it's equation 1 that I take, okay? So I got x equal to 0.12333, that is my equation 1, and I'm going to multiply this equation 1 by 1000. When I multiply by 1000, I will get now 1000x equals to, and the decimal is going to shift 3. It's going to shift out here, so it will become 123.333. This is equation 2. Now it's time to subtract, so I will take the second equation and the third equation. and I'm going to subtract it. So here's the third one, 123.333, and then I take the second one is 100x equals to 12.333. And subtracting, I'll get here 900x equal to 0, 0, 0, so 1, 1, 1. So my x will be 111 over 900. You can reduce it if you want. Now 4.32 bar. So let x be equal to 4.32 bar, which means x equal to 4.3222 endlessly. So this is equation 1. Now here I need to multiply by equation. Let me just examine this here first. 4.32 bar. So in the first part I need to get my decimal out here before the recurring, so I need to multiply by 10, and then I need to get my decimal after the recurring, so I need to multiply by 100. So for the first one I will take equation 1 and I'm going to multiply it just by 10, and then I get x equal to 4.3222. I multiply it by 10. On doing so, I get 10 into x, that is 10x. I'm multiplying by 10, so my decimal is now 10 is 10. It's going to shift up here, so I'm going to get 3.222. I call this equation 2. Now for equation 3, I've got to take equation 1 and multiply it by 100 to get the decimal after the recurring. So it is 4.3222, and I'm now multiplying it by 100. I can do it on this side also, multiply by 100. So I will get now 100 into x is 100x. Now since I multiplied by 100, 100's got 2 zeros, so this is now going to shift to 2 zeros. It's going to come here, so it is 432, point will be here, 2, 2. So I'll take out the two equations, that is equation 2 and my equation 3, and I need to subtract them. So I'll have here 100x, which is equal to 432 point, and then I have 10x equal to 43.22 on. Subtraction, 100 minus 10, 90x. This is 0, 0. So here will be 389. So my x will be 389 over 90. So the 4.32 bar is equal to 389 over 90. This is your answer. For the next one, we'll say let x be equal to 15.712 bar, which means x equal to 15.7. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, that is repeating. So that is equation 1. Now let's examine this again here. In the first case, I'll take my decimal and I will put it here. So which means I have to multiply it by 10. And then I need to take my decimal and put it after the recurring. So there are 3, 1, 2, 3. So I need to multiply it by 100. So first I multiply by 10, then I multiply by 100. So in the first step, I take equation 1. And as I said, they multiply by 10. So equation 1 is 15.71212, and goes on. And I'm going to multiply it now by 10. I'll put 10 here. So 10 into x is 10x. And when I multiply by 10, my decimal will shift to 1 point. So 115.7. It will become here now. 1, 2, 1, 2. This will be my equation 2. Now for the second part, I take my equation 1 again and I multiply it by 100 to get it after the recurring. So I have my x equal to 15.71212, and I'm going to multiply this by 100. On multiplying by 100, I will get 100x equal to, so now 2 zeros, so it'll come out here. So 1571.212, that will be my equation 3. Now I take both the equations. I take equation 2 and I take equation 3 and let me subtract it. So I have 100x 1571.212. Here it's wrong. I need to multiply by 1000. See, this has to be 1000, which means it has to come here, the decimal. I need to redo the sum. This will be multiplied by 1000, because see, the decimal has to come 1, 2, 3 after 3. So I will get this as 1000x, and this will shift to 712.12. The decimal will shift here. So I will take now the second, and this is my third. 1000x equal to 1571.212, and here I'll have 10x equal to, this decimal is here, so 15712, subtract both these, so I get 990x equals, and here it is 1555500, so x equal to 1555 over 990.